Hi everyone, we're going to go through in this demo on how to brand your survey using typeform. So I've got a test here which says Local Health Watch test, but obviously to start from scratch you just want to select this new typeform. So we're going to click into here, and I've already prepared a couple of questions based on the vaccination just so that we've got something to have as a template here. But obviously whatever questions you choose to have is up to you. In terms of the layout, just bear in mind that you can have images. So if you want to, you can actually have the space for an image, which might be quite handy if you have some kind of easy read format, or if you want to allow for that at least, you can obviously change and swap around what you want here. But for the purposes of this, we're just going to have the main text option. So as we can see, it's very plain. You've got black text and blue boxes, which is not HealthWatch branded at all. So to be able to do this, we're going to go over to the left-hand side and click Design. And we're going to add a new theme. Now, here obviously controls the colours on the left-hand side are going to control what appears on the right, and also the font. So at the moment, it's just general, but what we want to do is make that consistent with our website. And what we have on our website is Lato, so we're going to change that. And then when you come around to the questions, we're going to use our visual brand guidelines, which you'll be able to find on the communication centre, or if you are struggling to find it, do just send us an email and we will be able to help you. So that's hub@healthwatch.co.uk, and someone will be able to point you in the right direction. But otherwise, we're going to use that, and we're going to go to page 10 on the visual brand guidelines, and you'll see the top 3 colours are the core HealthWatch brand. And obviously throughout everything we've had blue text, so we're going to change the question text to match our brand blue. So we're going to change the code, and as you can see, that's reflected it on the right hand side. We've now got that blue text at the top there. Now with our answers, we're asking people to do an action. So naturally what we've done with the rest of our site is try and make pink the call to action. So maybe you want to replicate that here. I would definitely recommend doing so. So if you go to the answers box and then press the drop down, we'd want to change that code again to reflect the pink. 97, and then press enter. Moving down, you've got another couple of options which aren't really applicable here. So in terms of where the buttons are, we obviously can't see anything here, but it's definitely worth checking when you're doing different option types of questions. It might be that actually that button option starts to show and you don't want that to be blue, so you might want to just change that to pink in your theme, so that runs all the way through. So we'll do that one again, even though you can't see it here. Like I say, it might apply to different questions. Oh, that's a different there. And you've got the option to change the background here, so that refers literally to that background, which obviously we want to kind of keep as kind of plain as possible, really, because obviously we don't want to detract away from the question. That is the main thing, so I've kept that as white on purpose. And that's literally it, really. And once you do that, so you've changed the text, you've changed your colors to the HealthWatch brand, you want to save that as new theme. And then in future, when you go back to creating a survey, you'll actually be able to select from your themes there. So you don't have to go through this process every single time. You can just make sure that that's added and it runs all the way through for each question. So that's just all you need to do to theme your content.